Hi, my name's Anthony Barbagallo. I'm the owner of ProFit Outdoor Living. We're super excited to have our first display here in PIRCH, Glendale. We're hosting the Lynx equipment, and this is going to be one of many to come. So we really simplified the whole process of doing an outdoor kitchen. So from this design software to the build to shipping and assembly. So we do all the cutouts for you. Here at PIRCH, you could do the design in minutes. So we build everything with heavy gauge aluminum tubing and an oxy fiberboard, which is fireproof, waterproof, insect proof, but the key thing, it's structural. So you could put screws in this anywhere, no mollies needed, so you can do all different types of finishes. As you can see, here we have a shiplap finish here, which is a white PVC. You could use other different types of deck boards and stuff like that. But know what's nice also is you can get it designer ready, which means unfinished. So you can do cultured stone, stucco, wood cladding, whatever you like to fit your needs. This kitchen can be delivered and installed by PIRCH, and you'll be grilling in less than 2 hours. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about ProFit, definitely visit one of PIRCH's locations in Southern California, or visit their website at pirch.com.